Have you all heard of Pojo's plain old Java object, or bean class, or value objects, or data transfer object? Um, if not, any class which has simply a getter setters and with few variable names. So I'll just declare a name and an age. So this I can call it as Pojo. So let me give some accessibility to these variables, creating getter setters. Um, Let me create a constructor, and I just want to print few values. So let me generate two string. I don't want this. Okay, so this is called Pojo. See, why do we need this? So this is to create an object easily. So instead of actually setting by calling each and every method, I can just call this constructor and I can just put two values and it will be set. So I can directly call this method whenever I want to. If I pass an employee object, that will be called a toString method. If I want to print that via sysO, that's the reason I generated that one. Okay, so let's create employee and age. Okay, so let's print. So look here, this method has been called and printed. So for that purpose, I have generated these things. For error log purpose, even in real-time data, it's our actually habit to create a generator toString method. And this part, again, back to the business. Why do we need an employee object? Sorry, a Pojo classes, a value object. We can call it anything. Assume you have a method and you don't know what to return. Employee details. Somehow you are fetching a values, but how do you return? So if you want to return the name, yeah, of course, data type is string, you can send it. But if you want to send an age, how do you send? Or if you want some more details, how can I send? Answer to the question. So we can put all the data here as an employee object. So get the values, that is this, bit lazy, and this. So you can write your own method which does collection of data from UI or any other places, and you want to handle all those object, all those different type of details in a single object. So in such cases, we used to carry that with some custom object that is called plain old Java object, or um, value object, or data transfer object, anything. Even bean class also we call it. Okay, so let me run this. We'll get the same output. So the purpose of this is to handle multiple data in um, in a proper way. That's what I can say. Um, if you are already a Java developer, then you must be knowing these things. But this is for the new Java developers. I especially had taken this. This is not a part of Java 8 or anything else. Just FYI for your information. Bye bye.